does that smooth, right? Even in a suit, he's got no problem.
He discovered that our moon wasn't smooth, that Venus had phases, that Jupiter had moons, and that Copernicus was right, that we do revolve around the sun.
We describe it as sort of like a swan, where we're kind of calm and serene above water, but we're paddling like mad, going crazy underneath, trying to look smooth, but there's...
I very much thank particularly the ranking member and the chairman of the Judiciary Committee for running a smooth process.
But fortunately, it's been smooth sailing ever since.
Par ailleurs, je remercie le président Obama de toute la contribution au fonctionnement de ce G8.
And I also wish to thank President Obama for his contribution to the smooth running of this G8 meeting.
And in each of these cases, what you have is a process that's not always smooth.
It turns out that the president, I've discovered since I've been in this office, can't dictate precisely how this process moves. But I think we're moving in a direction.
Now, I want to thank all of you for also giving me a pretty smooth ride. You know, it's not going to be a smooth, easy ride.
And I'm confident we can execute, but it's not going to be a smooth path.
He talks pretty smooth, right? That whole... It's great to be back in Maryland. I worked with the speechwriters. There's no smooth transition from ballet to Led Zeppelin. What we've learned over the last 4 years, at least what I've learned over the last 4 years, is that it won't be smooth. It won't be simple, and the parties involved have, some profound interests that you can't spin, you can't smooth over. When I was 51, everything was smooth. We've all observed, I think, some of the convulsions that have been taking place in the Arab Spring. And I think it's a reminder that things are not always a smooth path. I want the checkout lines to be smooth. It's gotten a lot better over the last few weeks than it was on the first day, but we're working 24/7 to get it working for the vast majority of Americans in a smooth, consistent way.